Hi everyone, welcome back to absoluteneys. Let's make curry powder today. Just mix all the ingredients together. Make sure the cinnamon stick is broken into pieces so it's easy to grind. You might have to do it in small batches depending on the size of the grinder that you're using. I actually did it twice. Few people actually requested me to show the curry powder recipe, so that's why I thought I'll maybe put it this time. Grind it until it's come to a smooth powder, but it really doesn't matter whether it's coarse or fine. This recipe can be varied depending on so many traditions. Now some people actually add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to this as well, but I didn't add it to this one, so it's entirely up to you whether if you wanted to add it or not. That's it. Let's do the roasted curry powder. Now on a medium heat, I'm adding the coriander seeds, cumin seeds, rice, and fennel seeds. Mix it together and then roast it for about a couple of minutes, or just until it releases the aroma, and then you can smell a nice aroma of it, and also you'll see some smoke coming out, but make sure that you don't burn it, otherwise you'll have to chuck the whole thing out. When it starts to take turn to brownish color, take it off the heat and then move it to another bowl and leave it aside. Next is the cinnamon stick. Now you make sure to break it into pieces. I've taken a whole cinnamon stick about a 1-inch size, so that it really infuses. Roast it about a minute and then add the pandan leaves. Roast it for about 30 seconds with that. And now we'll add the curry leaves as well. And roast it for a further 30 seconds or until it starts to change color. And then move it to the other bowl as well. Now let's add the rest of the ingredients, which is red chili, dried chili actually. broken into pieces, cardamom pods, cloves, and black pepper. Roast them about another couple of minutes. Make sure not to burn them. And then you can take it off the heat and add it to the same the rest of the mix. Once this is grounded and ready, you can actually put it into an airtight container and store it for about 2 months actually, if you get luckier. Mix it all together. I'm gonna grind it. Actually, I grounded it in 2 batches. Some actually leave this really coarse, so it gives a good aroma to the curry. It's up to you actually. You can ground it to fine or coarse as we did for the curry powder as well. This roasted curry powder is usually used for meat curries such as beef, pork, chicken, and also the jackfruit curry that I made last time. This gives a nice dark brownish color to the curry. That's it. So this is how I make roasted curry powder. I hope you enjoyed and you try this at home, and let me know if you like it or if there are any other suggestions. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at absoluteneys. See you again.